Hey guys, it's springtime here and the weather is heating up, which means it's perfect time to make some sweet frozen treats. I've got the last bits of a homemade coconut yogurt here that I'm really keen to use up and not waste. So what I'm gonna do is use the Vibe blender to make some frozen yogurt pops. So you're gonna need some of these ice cream molds, and we'll set those aside while we blend up all of our ingredients in the Vibe blender. Takes no time at all. Then that is gonna go into the molds and into the freezer. These are gonna be slightly tropical today, so I'm gonna start with 1 mango. I've got 1 ripe banana and 1 passion fruit. Add 1 mango to the blender jug, along with 1 ripe banana and the pulp of 1 passion fruit. Then add half a cup of coconut yogurt and 1 cup of coconut milk. Blend on smoothie mode for around 20 seconds or until smooth. So after just 30 seconds, our mix is nice and smooth and ready to pour straight into these molds. Depending on how ripe your fruit was, you might want to add a little bit of sweetener like maple syrup or honey if you like. So that was the perfect amount of mix to fill up 6 of these molds, and they are 125 mils in capacity each, just to give you a reference. Now these are good to go into the freezer now overnight. You're gonna love these and the kids are gonna love these. We'll check back in once they're done and see what they look like. The frozen yogurt pops are all done and looking really good. Give them 5 to 10 minutes to defrost a little bit so you can get them out of the molds, or you can just run them under a little bit of hot water to loosen them up a bit. These are a great dairy-free, healthy frozen treat for you, an awesome way to use up your extra homemade yogurt, and you can mix up the fruits, use whatever you have on hand. So easy to do, and the kids are gonna love these ones. Give them a go for yourself at home and let us know what you think, and also let us know what cool flavor combinations you come up with. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes and other ways to use your Luvele appliances at home. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back next week with another recipe.